This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. And now let's check out this episode. Before we even go too far, there's two more people that I need to bring up too, which would be Ding Dong and Bounty Killer.
Yeah, general.
Okay. Who did you link? Well, I think you probably linked with Ding Dong first because clearly he's from the area of Nannyville.
Yeah. Ding Dong now, when we arrived for Elephant now and thing, Ding Dong start dance. So him start dance a standpipe or early Mondays. So I don't know him come from my community. So I tell him, say, bro, you know, say, I'm going to introduce you to Elephant. And I said, no, lie you tell. So one day now, I just carry him and say, Elephant, I'm a dancer this, you know, him will go bust, you know.
Yeah.
So that day, them introduce him to Elephant. And from there, so him carried us.
And what was the first stuff that the camp started to do with Ding Dong at that time there?
The first thing what we do with Ding Dong is me and Bugler shoot a video over National Stadium on the Renaissance, for Renaissance rhythm. And I call Ding Dong and say, Ding Dong, you're going to be the dancer in the video. And before the video man, I say, yo, DJ, you phone the time for shoot? I say, no, shoot my dancer first. So that time first video I got ever coming up.
And what song was that?
Real bad man soldering me and Bugle. Real bad man soldering is what the girl them ordering. Yeah.
And Ding Dong's in that video. So if I go back and look, you'll see Ding Dong in that video there.
In that video, first video ever.
That's wild. You know what I mean? You're doing this stuff. When did Killer come into the play now?
The general now see the work we put in around Elephant. And I say, yo, them youth have to get them glory as well. So the general, I like me in the street and the general call me and say, youth, you know, say you put in a lot of work. I'm going to give you strength, you know. I'm say, yeah. And the general say, yo, link me around Sharon Burke. I'm going to link the general and the general say, yo, put on the rhythm. And me and the general's voice a song same time. Big respect to Bounty, the general.
Which song was this here?
Swag like this. So we swag like this. So we swag like this. Every day we are roll with a diamond wrist.
Just said, and was that a song that you wrote to, or Bounty did his part, and you did yours?
I write the whole song.
The whole song?
Yeah, the whole song. So I just tell him if him part and him deliver it.
Crazy, no, because we know when it comes to delivery, Killer's one of those persons where he always could deliver it in his style.
Yeah,
you know
Killer
what I mean?
is the best artist when it comes on to delivery. DJing in our studio, there's no artist on the planet can deliver like Bounty Killer. None.
Yeah.
I don't see none. I'm going in our studio with many artists, but them man they just listen and let's go. Ready. Yeah. no practicing.
It computes different in his mind, you know what I mean? Okay, if you look, that's right there.
General.
Favorite artist, boss.
Yeah, a general, man.
You hear me?
One general.
Crazy. All right, so you guys linked with Killer, linked with Ding Dong. When did you record Killer Swing?
Killer Swing come up now. You have a dance named Gabba Sunday I keep a Nannyville. And I see one youth name Pre-Dem. I say Pre-Dem I do the dance. And I call Pre-Dem and say, yo, Pre-Dem.
Yeah.
What kind of dance is sweat name? And him say, yo, you know, it name Killer Swing. Because when they see Killer do him dance.
Yeah.
And them say, I'm say, a woofer dance. And them say, yo, you know, say a ding dong dance. I'm say, So what me did I go do now? I go Renaissance, I'm tell Dylan, I say, Dylan, I have a song what I want to do. But I go do it to the whole Ravers Clavers, like everybody, not only Ding Dong alone. So when I call up everybody now, I call up everybody, call Johnny Bravo, everybody and say, yo, we have a song, because we just do a song name before the summer. With everybody, with all of the Ravers name in it.
You did that song also?
Yeah. Me and Ding Dong do a song name before the summer, before that.
Yeah.
So at the time now, me decide say, me I go sing back the song with Johnny Bravo and Pencil Man and everybody. So me I call them phone now. Now I get them. Me I call ding dong, say, yo, me the downtown I buy shoes. I say, I buy shoes. So at the time, him finally forward at the studio and we lay out the idea and it become a big hit song.
Yeah. Killer Swing Crazy. I know you guys did a video for it also. You know what I mean?
Do a video for it and Bounty Killer help pay for the video. Yeah, big up Bounty Killer General.
No. You see when it comes to Killer Boss, Killers did some amazing work in this industry here.
Yeah,
you know what
absolutely.
I mean? Yeah, man. Clearly Killer's a human being. He has his ways. Clearly we know this too. But what he's done for the overall industry is undeniable.
The good shadow all the bad.
100%.
Yeah, because Killer, we understand. If you're a killer in a thing, that's because maybe you do something wrong. It's not because you do something good. So, but enough artists take offending to it if Killer say the way. Because I remember Killer from Jammies them days, so him know how the music fraternity set up from them time there. So if Killer now see you like, change it and bring in certain thing in a dance hall, him will step in because you don't know the general that I'm going to step in and enough artists take offending to it, but you don't know a Killer that.
Yeah.
And once you do the good, Killer ready for endorse it.
Yeah, no, that's big right there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Killer took care of you guys and the video and stuff like that. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.